This 104-year-old doctor wakes up every morning with the energy of a 30-year-old. His secret? He never takes supplements or fad diets. Instead, he eats these three cheap foods daily. And today, for the first time, I'm revealing what they are, backed by science. Stick around, because number 3 will shock you. Let's face it, the health foods you're eating right now might be aging you faster. A 2024 study from Harvard found that almond milk, protein bars, and even some organic snacks contain hidden toxins that damage your cells. But Dr. Hiroshi Yamaguchi, a world-renowned longevity expert, has a simpler solution. For 50 years, he's tracked over 1,000 patients who live past 100, and they all eat these three foods daily. No pills, no expensive treatments, just real food. First up, natto, a fermented soy dish eaten daily in Japan. Most people hate its smell, but here's why it's worth it. Natto contains Bacillus subtilis, a probiotic that reduces inflammation by 40%. Journal of Nutrition, 2023. It's also the world's richest source of vitamin K2, a nutrient that literally scrubs plaque from your arteries. Dr. Yamaguchi's patients who eat 1 tablespoon daily have the blood pressure of teenagers. How to eat it: mix with rice or add to miso soup. If you can't handle the taste, try tempeh. It has similar benefits. Next, purple sweet potatoes, the #1 longevity food in Okinawa, Japan. These aren't your average potatoes. Their purple color comes from anthocyanins, compounds that repair DNA damage. Aging Cell, 2023. One study found Okinawans who eat these daily have 67% lower rates of dementia. Even better, they're packed with resistant starch, a fiber that feeds your gut's anti-aging bacteria. Pro tip: roast them with cinnamon to slow blood sugar spikes. Eat 1 small potato daily. Skin on. Finally, the most shocking food: wakame seaweed. Most people think seaweed is just for sushi, but Harvard researchers call it nature's Botox. Wakame contains fucoxanthin, a compound that kills zombie cells, senescent cells, by 50%. Nature, 2024. These cells clog your organs and speed up aging. Dr. Yamaguchi's patients eat 5 grams daily. That's half a handful. Warning: avoid processed seaweed snacks. Only raw or dried wakame works. Add it to soups or salads. So to recap, eat natto for your heart, purple potatoes for your brain, and wakame to kill aging cells. Together, they cost less than $10 a week. Start today, and within 3 months, you'll notice sharper focus, younger skin, and more energy. Dr. Yamaguchi's oldest patient is 112, and she's been eating this way since she was 60. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. It helps others find this life-saving info. And subscribe, because next week, I'm exposing the 5 health foods that age you faster. You're probably eating number 2 right now. Comment "Live 100" below if you'll try these foods. See you in the next video.